Ang init ngayon. Siguro mga 88 degrees sa labas. Tapos dito sa loob ng bahay, 79 degrees. 79 degrees. So, lalabas ako ngayon to go to the library, the Orange County Library, para magpalamig. Tapos, syempre, babalik ko na rin itong libro na nabasa ko. I Am Malala. The highly recommended book. And I'm so amazed with this girl. And she even got a Nobel Peace Prize even before she turned 20. Ito yung Orange Public Library na na-designate as one of the cooling centers this summer. Meron silang mga books for sale, 25 cents each. Books for teens, 25 cents. Touch to start. This is how you return a book. Tapos, I Am Malala, how one girl stood up for education and changed the world. Return. Okay, status. Print receipt. Habang nandito ako sa library, gumagawa ako ng mga flashcards for Spanish. O si acaso, that means just in case. Estoy de acuerdo. I agree. Saludos at pinapaalis na kami. Sasarado na sila. Nakaupo pala ako kanina sa teen section doing the Spanish flashcards. Pinaalis ba naman ako? Kasi hindi ako teen eh. So I had to leave.